My name is Pip Tomkin, and I'm going to tell you a story today about how we are redefining Sharper Image. To start off the project, we assembled the entire creative team into one room and decided to have a brainstorm. And I asked this question right at the beginning, which I thought was a fundamental question we needed to ask before embarking on restructuring or rebranding Sharper Image. And that question was, what is brand and what is good brand? Sharper Image plays a significant role in the history of tech products. It represented a clear vision of the future from when it was founded in 1977. Therefore, we came up with this idea that Sharper Image was going to represent tomorrow's tomorrow. So I'd like to get into product principles. And what product principles are is there are a series of rules that we at the studio are applying to all Sharper Image products, but at its core, these are the core values which we are designing around. The first one being, begin with a big idea. The point being here, which is that from this point onwards, whenever we develop a Sharper Image product, we're going to ask ourselves a question, which is that how do we make this product better? How can we innovate? How can we change the narrative? And so quite simply, before we design anything, we're going to ask ourselves, what is the big idea? And we're going to hold ourselves to that. The second value is intuition is our mission. This is quite simply the fact that we want to apply the same experience across all of the Sharper Image products. This is particularly important because Sharper Image has this beautiful quality, which is it's going to be cross-category, which is that we can have products in consumer electronics, we can have products in home, we can have products in toys, but what we truly want is that whenever you pick up a Sharper Image product, you instantly know from the experience, you know that it's going to be the same type of experience, you're going to know how to use it, to again address issues of technophobia for the majority of people. No stone left unturned. This is simply the obsession that myself and the team, the design team, are going to have about developing stories and getting right into the details of these products. This particular image here shows a speaker pattern. It's something we're experimenting with where the holes of the speaker pattern are actually Morse code that spells out tomorrow's tomorrow. Create, not decorate. This is simply a core industrial design principle about making things timeless. It's a very, very difficult proposition to try and make things in the tech space timeless, but this is our goal. And to give an idea of how design can make something timeless, I think about the Barcelona chair by Mies van der Rohe or the dining room chair by Charles and Ray Eames. Both of these chairs, if you ever look at modern architecture and they're looking to stage a beautiful modern house, you'll always see these two chairs in those homes, despite the fact that both of those chairs are between 60 to 90 years old. More clever than ever. This is possibly the most important of all of the principles. And what I mean by this is that we need to step beyond innovation. The word innovation is overused. Being clever is the next step. It's taking technology and making it usable, integrating it perfectly into your life, bringing beautiful poetic design to the product, making things clever. Bring a smile to your face. Of course, this applies to toys, but when I talk about bringing a smile to your face, again, it's something in the details. It may be the way that a button presses down. It's the way that you unpackage it. Or it's maybe something to do with the way that the product is manufactured and we've reduced its carbon footprint. The reality is that we're working very, very hard, and it's one of our key values is to make sure that when people use Sharper Image products, it puts a smile on their face. The Dream Team put a huge amount of effort into crafting something extraordinary and beautiful that moves the narrative forward. Therefore, I wanted the end user to understand or have a different connection with these products than other mass products on the market. I wanted them to understand the personalities involved and understand that the reasons why these products look the way they do is because of the team that developed them.